Merci beaucoup.
De rien.
Merci beaucoup pour l'hospitalité. It was really nice staying here. Thank you so much for letting me be part of the family. Yesterday it was so nice to be at the table with 4 generations. It was really nice. It's time to see a little bit of the historical center of Bordeaux before I leave. Let's have a look around. To be honest, I'm not sure I'm allowed to cycle here, but I am cycling to the dunes of Pilat. Hopefully my pronunciation is correct. And they are the highest sand dunes of Europe. Hopefully this trail will get me there, huh? If I'm not failing to navigate. This is a pretty big dune. And there it is. My plan is to push the bike till the tree and park the bike there and then climb the dune, keeping a visual on my bike. The sand is very, very fine. It's difficult to push the bike. It's a bit heavy, but I only need to push another 10 meters and I'm done. I made it, guys. The bike is parked. Now it's time to climb up. The bike is situated and we're gonna climb up, guys. Let's go. It's very, very fine sand, yeah. As you can see, very, very fine. It requires some effort to climb up. It's more intense than I would like, to be honest. You can see it's very difficult to climb up. It's a wall, and as soon as I push my feet, they go down. They slide down. It's very, very hard. See, I'm halfway through. The climb is supposed to be 110 meters high. Yeah. Hopefully I'm halfway through. Look at my silhouette. We're getting almost to the top. That's my path. It's much easier like this than going up straight. I don't know if here is just more firm or what, but it's much easier. Oh wow, what a view. What a view. Surprise. The dune is much bigger and I cannot keep a visual on my bike if I wanna go and see the seaside. So decision. Can I chance it and leave my bike there? I can run maybe. I don't think there is anybody around, but you never know. I may get another visual on this bike. I wanna see if I see someone coming up the trail. Maybe not. Let's chance it. I'm gonna run and hopefully that's the top of the dune. If not, I'll go back to my bike, to be honest. I don't want to leave it unattended more than 2-3 minutes, 5 minutes maximum. Maybe there was a better entrance where I could have left the bike, but I don't know. This is the top. That's it. I ran back to check on my bike and yeah, it'd be nice to stay around and watch the sunset, camp somewhere, but where do I leave the bike? I mean, no good. And it's in a couple of hours it should be raining, so maybe I should start to get going down. And the plan is to cycle back to the main road and start to go south. When I arrive to the main road, I will just remove the shoes and remove the sand. It's so good to slide down a sand dune. It's so good. I've done it already in Namibia, on one of the highest dunes in Namibia. I remember I published the video. It was Dune 65, I think it was called. Yeah, I'm back. The bike is still here. We left some mark in the sand. Not exactly live not race, but I think tonight my tracks will be covered because it's gonna rain. I think going down should be easier, no? Let's see. Let's try not to fall off the sand. And of course I went immediately into the thorns. I have like 4 or 5 kilos of sand inside my boots. I need to do something about it. Not even sure I can paddle. I can pedal on this end now. Time to empty the shoes. This is the sound of one shoe. I have to say, it was better to do the dunes, walk on the dunes in Namibia. It's really dry, so it's very easy to clean your shoes and everything. But here the weather is very, very humid. So yeah, the plan is to start cycling south and as soon as possible get situated for the night. There's a nice space there, but it's a bit too close to this touristy place, and I don't want to have problem with guards and police and stuff like that. So let's keep going. Sunset in 10 minutes. I think I want to go south a bit because it will be raining during the night and for most of the morning, so it'd be nice to make a few some kilometers this morning. Wow, be nice to cycle a bit this evening and just stay in the tent until the rain stops tomorrow morning. What's going on? Look at the color of the sky. It's all sorts of shade of purple. It's incredible. I need to take a picture. It's 20 past 11 and I'm setting up camp basically, and yeah, hopefully I can set up camp before it starts raining, because I started to see heard some thunders. So I think this is a good spot for the rain, but it's not allowed to camp here, obviously. But if it's gonna rain, if it's a bit stormy, I don't think anybody will mind. I don't think anybody will come here. It's actually a bit off the road. I don't know what it is. It seems like a park. Yeah, I don't think there will be any visitors tomorrow morning under the rain, I guess. Oh, I hope. I have camped at every latitude and climate. I was in the tropics, I was in the Amazon. I camped in the Amazon for a week or more in a place. But I tell you, I never seen like a piece of wood area with so much bugs and insects and creature as last night. Man, it was insane. I had bugs coming out of the poles of my tent this morning when I break them down. There was thousands of them, and there will be coming out of my bike for days, I think. Anyway, let's hit the road. Churches are really nice in France, so different from the Italian ones. I guess French would say the same about Italian churches.
Follow this way for 350 meters.